She's not overthinking. She's seeing a world you're literally blind to, and your ignorance is costing you everything. For decades, the cultural narrative has leaned heavily on the trope that men are from Mars and women are from Venus. We've laughed at the sitcom misunderstandings and shrugged off the communication gaps as inevitable byproducts of our biology. But what if the divide isn't a wall, but a different operating system? In the modern landscape of 2026, where emotional intelligence is the new currency of success, understanding the feminine psyche isn't just about getting along, it's about unlocking a cognitive map that most men don't even know exists. The video, Why Women Think Differently: 7 Psychological Insights Men Miss, peels back the curtain on the neurological and evolutionary blueprints that shape female cognition. This isn't about stereotypes, it's about the hardwired differences in how we process emotion, risk, and connection. 1. The connectivity advantage, the corpus callosum. The first insight lies in the physical architecture of the brain. On average, the corpus callosum, the bridge of nerve fibers connecting the left and right hemispheres, is thicker in women. While the male brain is often optimized for intra-hemispheric communication, making it a powerhouse for localized tasks and spatial reasoning, the female brain excels at inter-hemispheric crosstalk. This means women can simultaneously access the logical, linear left brain and the emotional, intuitive right brain. For a man, a problem is often a singular point on a map. For a woman, it is a node in a vast, interconnected web. When a man misses this, he labels it complexity. In reality, it's a high-speed data transfer he simply isn't equipped to see. The emotional radar, amygdala and hippocampus. Why does she remember exactly what you said during an argument 3 years ago on a Tuesday? It's not a grudge, it's biology. Women generally have a larger hippocampus, the brain's center for memory, and a different activation pattern in the amygdala. Women tend to encode memories with higher emotional tags. This creates a vibrant, high-definition library of social interactions. While a man might remember the outcome of an event, a woman remembers the nuance. Men often miss this insight, assuming women are stuck in the past when they're actually using a more robust data set to navigate the present. The language of survival, verbal oversampling. From an evolutionary standpoint, social cohesion was a woman's primary tool for survival. This led to the development of superior verbal processing centers. A woman's brain is literally wired to find relief through verbalization, a process often called tend and befriend. When a woman talks through a problem, she isn't always looking for a tactical solution, she is using language to regulate her nervous system. Men, often wired for fix-it mode, miss this entirely. They offer a hammer when she is looking for a resonance. Understanding that words are a tool for emotional regulation, not just data transmission, changes the entire dynamic of a relationship. The risk assessment, the estrogen influence. Men are often driven by testosterone, which can lead to sunk cost fallacies and aggressive risk-taking. Conversely, the female brain, influenced by fluctuating levels of estrogen and progesterone, tends to be more attuned to long-term consequences. This isn't fear, it's a sophisticated risk mitigation strategy. Women are often better at reading micro-expressions, tiny, fleeting facial movements that betray a person's true intent. When a man is looking at the scoreboard, a woman is looking at the players. Missing this insight means men often overlook the subtle social red flags that women sense instinctively. The multi-channel processor. The myth of multitasking has been debunked for everyone, but the female brain is uniquely adept at task switching. Because of the high connectivity mentioned earlier, women can monitor multiple social and environmental streams simultaneously. A mother isn't just hearing her child, she is tracking the tone of the cry, the temperature of the room, and the timing of the next meal while holding a conversation. Men, who often operate with tunnel vision, a trait highly effective for hunting or singular tasks, often find this multi-channel processing chaotic. Understanding this allows men to appreciate the sheer cognitive load women carry by default. The feedback loop of empathy. Mirror neurons are cells that fire both when an individual acts and when the individual observes the same action performed by another. Studies suggest women have a more active mirror neuron system. This allows for affective empathy, literally feeling what the other person is feeling. When a man misses this, he might find a woman's reaction illogical, but to her, the logic is felt. She isn't just observing a situation, she is simulating it. This creates a powerful drive for consensus and harmony, which is often mistaken for a lack of decisiveness. The diffused awareness versus the focused target. Finally, we must understand the difference in spatial awareness. Men often have a flashlight focus, bright, intense, and narrow. Women often have a floodlight awareness, softer but encompassing the entire room. This diffused awareness is why women are often the first to notice when a friend is upset, when a room's energy has shifted, or when a child is about to get into trouble. Men often miss these ghost signals, leading to the common refrain, "Where did that come from?" It didn't come from nowhere, it was in the floodlight the whole time. Understanding these 7 insights isn't about declaring one gender superior to the other. It's about recognizing that we are 2 halves of a whole, designed to perceive the world in complementary ways. When men miss these psychological nuances, they don't just miss a deeper connection with the women in their lives, they miss a more complete understanding of reality itself. The why behind the way women think isn't a puzzle to be solved, it's a landscape to be explored. By acknowledging the biological and psychological drivers behind female cognition, we move past the frustration of misunderstanding and into the power of synergy. If you want to stop guessing and start understanding the profound mechanics of the human mind, you need to stay ahead of the curve. If you found these insights eye-opening, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our community as we dive deeper into the psychology that shapes our world. Don't miss our next deep dive into the secrets of the male subconscious.